Okay, quick review of my Enerlites 7-button preset timer. I'm not an electrician. I'm sort of a little DIY, I guess, handyman. And replacing a switch really, I guess, isn't a big deal to me. If you're concerned, you could contact an electrician. That's probably what you're supposed to do, but this is something that I guess any sort of general handyman could do. There's all kinds of online tutorials. Right here's what you're getting. It is a little bit deep, so it may be difficult to manage depending on your box because you've got the depth of the product plus where you're going to stuff the wires. But here's what it is. The premise is if you're going somewhere where you don't need the light on all the time, you can do this to turn the light on and off and it'll stay on, it'll stay off. Or if you just need it on for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, all the way through 30 minutes, you can press this button. It starts a countdown timer and the light will stay on for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, 15, 10, 5, or 1 respectively. It's pretty cool. I could see this being a good thing for my kids chronically leave the light on in the bathroom. So you know what, you put this in the bathroom, you tell them, hey, just hit that button, it'll stay on for 20 minutes. A garage, another great option. If you're just going in and out, I think that that's great. I could see a lot of places where this would be useful. I can't wait to get it in. I don't anticipate any challenges or difficulty. Included is a decorative faceplate. I have some that I use myself, but this is nice just in case you want or need it. It looks like it's sort of a white color. There are also nut caps if you happen to need those. And then also an installation instruction that just goes over the specs, I guess how many amps or whatever it can handle, goes over using it. And yeah, no big surprises there. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm happy to answer them, and I hope this review helps.